Hi, this is Iris Platin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. This is a huge period, exciting period, because we entered a period of sun flares like 18 months ago, and it will go on for 4 years. But the phoenix is now. The flares are at the highest point now until mid 24. That's a period where there is a lot of stress, there is a lot of discordance, there is a lot of chaos. But on the other side, it's a hugely potential time for the human being to raise the consciousness. This is the time where we can really build up the new world, to really go into our future. But we have to be aware of it. Many yogis, many traditional cultures, they know that, and they use these sun flares to really pull up their energetic fields. They really they are charging themselves with that sun, and they do it in community, they do it in ceremony. We human beings here in the Western world, we are behind the computers making money and making worries about the money and so on. We don't know where the sun is at. We don't know where the wind is blowing, from what directions, and so on. We did forget that. But this is a period that we will remember who we are. We will be back into that connection with nature, with the birds, with the winds, with the earth, with the water, with all the elements. We have to connect and reconnect, and we will have all the possibilities in the coming months to do so. So I hope that you really can connect, because the elements will show their power in the next months. So I hope you will be in gratitude, and you will be with a lot of respect of these nature forces. One of the things is that when these elements are in actions, the elements of our bodies are in actions as well. So, and we have the choice whether we do something creative with these forces, we work with it, or we don't do anything. We let them pile up until we explode and are going into destruction. So remember that is a very potent period, and we are going now towards a full moon, and they call it the blue moon. And that's the blue moon it's going to be a very, very powerful moon that will be very close to the earth, and I hope you will see her. She will be bright and shining, but which means that she will influence our emotions. Where are we at now? What emotions do we have? So go with the flow in this period, and know that there will be a lot of water, but a lot of materialization of what you want, what your aspirations are. It's a highly spiritual period where you can begin to really practice that priestess and that priest in you, because 1/4 of what we are is spirit. Are you working with spirit? Are you talking with spirit? Or is that really something that you think it's from witches, or is from Egypt or other cultures? I hope not, because we are spirit having an earthly experience, and we will feel that. And I hope you can take that power and be that powerful spirit being who connects with spirit again. So I hope you will take that chance that you have to really practice that. And so in this period as well, you will have more dreams. If you can, write them down. Put a notebook next to your bed, and when you wake up and you remember the dream, don't move your body. Just close your eyes And then when you remember it, you just write it down. This is the spirit world talking to us with symbols. And then you honor that. And it's very important that you can do it now in this period, because I'm dreaming a lot. And it's a period where I have to practice my yoga, because my head is like full of ideas. It's like bursting out. My energy is like, whoa. Whenever the birds are up, I'm like, "Poof." I'm awake. I'm ready to make my day. And I have such an energy, and I need really to direct that energy. So many of the cases I need nature to ground myself, or I need some movements. I need to walk in nature. And this is the period now. Go with the flow. Whenever you feel that agitation, go in nature, and nature will calm you down. So have a really nice period. Love you, bless you, and see you next month. Oha.